Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka number 17. Yoga becomes the destroyer of pain for him who is moderate in eating and recreation, who is moderate in his exertion during his actions, who is moderate in sleep and wakefulness.
Chapter 6, Shloka 17. Yuktahara viharasya yuktacheshtasya karmasu yuktasvapnavabodhasya yogo bhavati dukkha.
Chapter 6, Shloka 17. The earlier instructions regarding food, sleep and recreation are further elaborated to bring in more clarity. For yoga, moderation in eating and recreation, in sleep and activities is prescribed by the Lord. How not to get victimized by the work we undertake is indicated. Even selfless work we do must be done in moderation. Not only exertion should be moderate, but care should be taken about the kind of work we choose and the right field of activity. We have to be careful to not get bound by the work we choose, for instead of exhausting our existing vasanas, it may become a source for gathering new ones. Any excess can create more agitations and also drag us into animalism. The total conscious life of the ego's active experience is considered as swapna or dream. In this sense, the waking state is also like a dream. From the standpoint of the Absolute, the entire life's experiences are called state of sleep, as we are asleep to our true nature, or there is non-apprehension of reality, and the state of dream as the misapprehensions of reality, wherein the waking is also included. Absolute knowledge is called avabodh in Sanskrit. In the earlier stages, excessive indulgence in the misapprehensions as well as in moments of avabodh, that is samadhi, to force oneself into silence should be avoided. Yoga, correctly understood, can be practiced by all, as it is capable of destroying all miseries, say Lord Krishna. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.